France 1er RIMa unveils FPV attack drone unit to boost frontline precision strike capability. The unveiling of a dedicated mobile FPV first-person view attack drone capability during the Bastille Day 2026 military parade marks a significant step in the French Army's effort to embed low-cost precision strike systems directly within frontline combat formations. Displayed in Paris on July 14, 2026, the new capability is operated by the 1er Regiment d'Infanterie de Marine 1er RIMa and demonstrates how France is adapting lessons from recent conflicts to increase the lethality and operational reach of its maneuver forces. The 1er RIMa Naval Marines Regiment has established a dedicated attack drone company equipped with Ford Ranger-based launch vehicles that can rapidly deploy FPV strike drones against armored vehicles and other high-value targets. Operating alongside EBRC Jaguar and AMX-10 RC reconnaissance vehicles, the new unit reflects the growing integration of unmanned attack systems into conventional armored operations to enhance precision engagement, battlefield survivability, and tactical flexibility. The new mobile attack drone company of the French Army, 1er RIMa, equips modified Ford Ranger pickup trucks fitted with 2 rear-mounted launch containers designed to transport and rapidly deploy FPV attack drones. Each container carries 10 FPV attack drones, giving every vehicle an immediate payload of 20 ready-to-launch drones. Mounted at the rear of the Ford Ranger, the containers protect the drones during movement while enabling rapid deployment once the vehicle reaches its launch position, allowing crews to transition quickly from movement to strike operations. The drone company is organized around platoons composed of 6 Ford Ranger launch vehicles. At full capacity, a single platoon can field 120 FPV attack drones, giving commanders a substantial volume of precision munitions that can be employed over multiple engagements or concentrated during a single operation. This organizational structure transforms the platoon into a highly mobile strike element capable of accompanying reconnaissance forces while delivering firepower previously associated with dedicated artillery or missile units. The twin container system provides considerable tactical flexibility. Drone operators can launch FPV drones individually to engage separate targets sequentially, conserving munitions while supporting reconnaissance or fire missions. Alternatively, multiple drones can be launched in a short period to conduct coordinated swarm attacks, saturating enemy defenses with simultaneous strikes from multiple directions. This tactic can overwhelm counter-drone systems and significantly increase the probability of successfully destroying heavily protected objectives such as armored vehicles, self-propelled artillery, air defense systems, command posts, logistics hubs, or electronic warfare assets. Although French authorities have released only limited technical information regarding the drone system itself, the concept demonstrates the French Army's intention to equip highly mobile maneuver formations with an organic precision strike capability that can be deployed independently of conventional artillery or higher echelon fire support. Carrying 20 FPV drones per vehicle also provides sustained engagement capability, enabling crews to conduct multiple attack missions before returning to reload. The establishment of this unit marks another step in the transformation of French land forces as lessons from the war in Ukraine continue to reshape military doctrine across Europe. FPV drones, originally derived from commercial racing drone technology, have become one of the most disruptive battlefield weapons, offering precision attack capabilities at only a fraction of the cost of anti-tank guided missiles. Their widespread employment against tanks, infantry fighting vehicles, self-propelled artillery systems, air defense assets, and logistical infrastructure has demonstrated that inexpensive unmanned systems can generate disproportionate operational effects. Unlike conventional reconnaissance drones, FPV attack drones are remotely piloted until impact and carry explosive warheads capable of destroying or disabling armored vehicles, bunkers, fortified positions, and other battlefield objectives. Operating individually or as part of coordinated swarms, they complicate enemy air defenses while increasing the probability of successful target engagement. The Ford Ranger's dual container arrangement allows drone teams to launch repeated waves of FPV drones before rapidly relocating to avoid enemy artillery, electronic warfare, or counter-drone attacks. The Ford Ranger's mobility provides an important tactical advantage. As a light tactical vehicle, it can accompany reconnaissance detachments, exploit dispersed terrain, and rapidly reposition launch teams across the battlefield. Compared with larger, dedicated unmanned systems carriers, the pickup-based solution offers a significantly lower logistical footprint while remaining difficult to detect and easier to conceal. This reflects a growing international trend toward integrating drone launch systems into commercially derived tactical vehicles that combine affordability, mobility, and operational flexibility. The integration of FPV drone units alongside the EBRC Jaguar creates a complementary capability that significantly enhances the regiment's combat effectiveness. The Jaguar, armed with a CTA International 40mm cased telescope cannon, Acheron MP anti-tank missiles, and advanced electro-optical sensor suites, provides reconnaissance, target acquisition, and direct fire support. FPV drones can exploit the intelligence collected by Jaguar crews, extending engagement ranges beyond line of sight to attack enemy vehicles concealed by terrain, buildings, or defensive positions. This combination enables reconnaissance elements not only to detect enemy forces, but also to destroy them rapidly without exposing their own reconnaissance vehicles to direct engagement. The regiment also continues to operate the AMX-10RC, whose 105mm gun remains valuable for fire support and reconnaissance despite its gradual replacement by the Jaguar. Together, the Jaguar, the AMX-10RC, and the new mobile FPV drone units create a layered combat capability in which traditional armored firepower is reinforced by large numbers of low-cost precision strike systems capable of attacking enemy defenses from multiple directions. The ability of each launch vehicle to deploy 20 FPV drones and each platoon to field 120 drones substantially increases the regiment's capacity to sustain offensive operations and adapt to rapidly changing battlefield conditions. The creation of a dedicated mobile drone company also reflects broader changes within the French Army's modernization strategy. Rather than treating unmanned systems as specialized assets reserved for higher headquarters, combat brigades are increasingly receiving organic drone capabilities integrated directly into maneuver formations. The organization of 6-vehicle drone platoons demonstrates that FPV systems are now considered a core battlefield capability, rather than an experimental addition. This evolution supports operational concepts emphasizing decentralized decision-making, rapid target engagement, greater battlefield autonomy for frontline commanders, and close integration between manned combat vehicles and unmanned strike systems. French military planners increasingly recognize that future high-intensity conflicts will require a combination of traditional armored maneuver and persistent unmanned strike capabilities. The experience of recent conflicts has shown that armored reconnaissance vehicles remain essential for mobility, protection, and battlefield awareness, but their effectiveness can be greatly amplified when paired with precision attack drones capable of penetrating defended areas and engaging targets inaccessible to conventional weapons. Similar developments can be observed across several NATO armies as they seek to integrate unmanned systems into combined arms operations. Readers interested in this trend may also consult our previous coverage of French Army drone modernization, EBRC Jaguar reconnaissance vehicle development, and European lessons from the war in Ukraine. From an operational perspective, the 1er RIMa now represents a modern reconnaissance and combat formation capable of combining armored mobility, advanced battlefield sensors, direct-fire weapons, and high-density FPV drone strikes within a single tactical organization. The addition of Ford Ranger-mounted launch vehicles, each equipped with 2 protected containers carrying a total of 20 FPV attack drones, provides an immediately available precision strike capability that can be employed through individual engagements, successive attack waves, or coordinated swarm operations. At the platoon level, 6 launch vehicles carrying up to 120 FPV drones enable the regiment to saturate enemy defenses, suppress armored formations, disrupt command control networks, and support reconnaissance missions while minimizing exposure of manned combat vehicles. This combination of the Jaguar, AMX-10RC, and mobile FPV drone launch vehicles illustrates how the French Army is reshaping its light armored units into highly networked formations capable of combining reconnaissance, direct fire, and massed unmanned precision strikes to meet the demands of future high-intensity warfare.